Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this zoom in effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm closing this page first. Then I jump to the other Canva page. So I already inserted the same picture. As you can see, this is a video Canva. So I just extend the length of the page to 10 seconds and duplicating the page. Just reducing the size and just zooming to the picture, duplicate again and just moving to the other side, zoom even more. I might be even more, like this, and going between the two pages, a transition, match and move, extend to 10 seconds, and going down and apply between all pages. So as you can see, this transition is applied for between both sides, here and here, and you can see the length of the videos was originally 10 seconds, and this one, the first and last, is just 7.5, but the middle one is only 5 seconds. The reason is due to the, if you just clicking here, you can see the transition is here, and in this part the two pages are overlapping each other. But it's easy to fix to get the same length, like 10 seconds, and in this case it will be 10 seconds each. If I'm reducing it, the problem will be if I try to do it 5 seconds. As you can see, this 6.2, this one 5.5, 5.5, so it cannot go below 5 due to the transitions. Now we can see what we are doing. Now, okay, as you can see, I just zoom in at first, then zoom and moving to the second with this easy match and move transition. So this video is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Ciao.